What's the name of the brand? It's called the Rad Black Kids. I think I'm not only apologetic about the name being the Rad Black Kids, but I'm most unapologetic about shattering these contemporarily held ideas of what it is that black people can do. Matter of fact, what it is anyone can do. I foster a brand that supports discourse, critical thinking, challenging people through our Instagram messaging, and most importantly, open conversation. What inspires me has been, I have to say, it's Gen Z. The way that young people is able to message and be willing to stand up for people's rights who aren't them, and they're willing to do so unabashedly. I think there's a crazy unity that Gen Z has that I don't know if we have had at such a scale. And the fact that they're able to use social media platforms to get that message out. And the thing that inspires me about that is, standing up for people who may not be you, standing up for things like Black Lives Matter and seeing how intersectional that is for, the generation that's coming up. The Rad Black Kids ideally is a voice for the voiceless. It's a place that you can go and see people who look like you being represented. A big thing of what I like to do is I like to use the platform of the Rad Black Kids to show anyone who's wearing the Rad Black Kids. So all you gotta do is tag yourself and put yourself up there, because ultimately we're trying to create a community of different ideas, a community that's all driven around the same thing, which is inclusivity, intersectionality, having everyone have somewhere, a space that they can go and, share ideas that are in the progressive direction.